Kayo, kung gusto kayo, or kung gusto nyo. Nyo, di ba?
Little later.
Okay.
Maya. Sarap.
Dominico. Did you wash your hair later?
Yeah.
Lahat?
Yeah, pero sandali lang. Just to...
Really fast?
parang banlaw lang. Malamig kasi, walang heater.
Oh, nice.
Medicine. Let's go down.
Grabe, kanina paghiga ko lang. No?
Parang gano'n, pahinga ka na.
Snore sitin kanina.
Hindi ah!
Yo, for like 10 minutes.
Whatever.
Yes, you sleep on this.
With your mouth open.
Whatever. I will take that sa pillow, no? Ang sakit kaya, grabe paggising ko. Kamay ko.
And what's,
Pati yung paa ko.
you know what's still troubling me though? I'm sorry if I keep bringing it up, but bakit si Kigoy at Luz dito?
Oo nga.
Sila yung laging may argue.
Yes.